Good morning, students. How are you all? Everyone okay? Okay, so in today's class we are going to see exercise number 13 and it is based on multiplication of numbers, and we are going to see in exercise number 13 we will see multiplication of two numbers by one method, and in the next exercise, which is exercise 14, in that we will see multiplication by other method. Okay, so we will see only exercise number 13 today. So the question is multiply the numbers by long method. So the method which we are going to study today of multiplication is known as the long method. Okay, so let's see how to do the multiplication. The first question is 68 is multiplied to 24. Okay, so I write these numbers, the numbers which I have to multiply, I write them as 68 multiplied by 24. Here the numbers were written horizontally, sleeping way, right? And now here I have written them vertically. Okay. Now I have to multiply each number starting from the right to each number which is there up. That means here 68 is multiplied to 24. So first I will multiply 4 to 8. Then I will multiply 4 to 6, and then after that is completed, I will multiply 2 to 8, and then I will multiply 2 to 6. Okay. So for multiplication, your tables need to be very perfect, at least till 10. Tables till 10. You need to be very perfect with the tables up till number 10. Okay. So first we multiply 4 to 8. So what is 4 into 8? 4 8s are 32, right? 4 8s are 32. So how do I write 32? 32 is a 2-digit number, right? 32 is a 2-digit number. It has 2 digits in it. So this 3 which is there, I write this 3 on top of 6, and 2 I write down here. Okay. Then I multiply 6 by 4. Okay. So 4 into 6 is 24. 4 6 are 24. So after multiplying this, if there is a number on top of that number, we add that number. Okay, that means 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, and to 24 I will add this 3. Okay, so 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 25, 26, 27. Okay, so the number which I have got now is 27. Now 27 is again a 2-digit number, right? 2 is 1 digit and 7 is the other digit. So 27 is again a 2-digit number. But here we do not carry 2 upwards. Why? Because there is no number here. Okay, before 6 there is no number. So 27 I write it down only. Whole 27 I will write down. Okay. Now when this is over, 68 is multiplied by 4. That means I have multiplied 4 to 8 also, and I have multiplied 4 to 6 also. So both the numbers are multiplied by 4. So the first step is over. Now before going to the second step, I put a 0 here. Below the first digit, the first extreme right digit, I put a 0 or I put a cross. Okay. So I put a cross here. Okay. That means this number, here there is a cross, means there is a 0. Okay. Now I multiply 2 to each digit upwards. So 2, first I multiply 2 by 8. So what is 2 into 8? 2 8s are 16. So how do I write 16? I write, see, 16 is a 2-digit number. Right? 16 is a 2-digit number. So how do I write 16? I write 1 on top. Here 1 on top. And 6 I write down below 7. I don't have to write it below 2. I have to write below 7. Okay. Now I multiply 2 to 6. Before I multiplied 2 to 8. Now I multiply 2 to 6. Okay. So 2 6s are 12. Now to this 12 I add 1. So 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. So I write 13 down. And remember that this 3 was for the first step. Now this 1 is for the second step. So we have to be careful when we add these the numbers which we have carried up. We need to check whether there is 3 only or 1 only for this step. Okay. So now when I have multiplied 2 by 8 also and by 6 also, this is the second step which is completed. Now the 2 steps which I have got, I have to add them. Okay. So I have to add these 2 numbers. So on adding, 2 plus, here there is nothing, there is a cross, means there is 0. So 2 plus 0 means 2. 7 plus 6 is 6 plus 7, 12, 13. So 13, how do I write 13? I write 1 here and 3 here. This is simple addition. You have done addition. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus this one is 6. So I write 6. And 1, there is no number on top of 1. That means it is 0. So there is only one number. So 1, I write it as it is. Okay. So this is the final answer of multiplication of these 2 numbers. So I write the answer as 68 multiplied by 24 is equal to 1632. Okay. So this is our multiplication of the given 2 numbers. Okay. Now we go to the second question. The second one is 24 multiplied by 47. So similarly we do. First we write them in vertical order. Okay. I write them vertically. So the first number is 24 multiplied by the second number is 47. Okay. So now here also we have to start from the right side only, from this side only. We cannot start from the first number. We cannot first multiply 4 by 2 and then 4 by 4. Okay. We have to start from 7. That means we have to start from extreme right. Like we do in addition also, we start from extreme right. Here also we have to start from extreme right side. Okay. So first I will multiply 7 by 4. Then I will multiply 7 by 2. This will complete my first step. Now in the next step I will multiply 4 by 4 and then 4 by 2. Okay. So let's see. First I multiply 7 by 4. 7 4s are 28, right? So 28 is again a 2-digit number. So how do I write 28? Writing 28, this 2 I write here on top and 8 I write down. Okay, so that is 28. Now I multiply 7 by 2. 7 2s are 14 and to 14 I have to add this 2. Okay, so 14 plus 2 is 16. So I write 16. Okay, this completes my first step. I have multiplied 7 to 4 also and to 2 also. So this completes my first step. Now I have to multiply 4 by 4 and 4 by 2. So before that I have to put a cross sign here. Okay, so 4 into 4 is what? 16. So how do I write 16? 16 is a 2-digit number. This 6 I will carry up here. 1 I will write up and 6 I will write down. So that will be 16. Now I multiply 4 by 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So I write 9 here down. Okay. Now these I have completed both the steps. Now I add them. Okay. I add these 2 numbers. So I have to add 168 and 96. So sorry, 960. Here there is no number, means here there is 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. So how do I write 12? I write 1 here and 2 I write down. Okay. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So I get 11. Okay. So the multiplication 24 multiplied by 47 is equal to 1128. Okay. So this was the second sum. Now we go to the third one. Okay. So the third sum is 32 multiplied by 77. So first I write them vertically. 32 multiplied by 77. Okay. Now the similar way, starting from the right side, I first multiply 7 by 2, then 7 by 3, and then again in the next step I multiply this 7 by 2 and this 7 by 3. Okay. So let's do 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. So and 14 is a 2-digit number. So I write this 1 on top here and 4 I write down. Okay. Now I multiply 7 by 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. And I add this 1 to 21. So 21 plus 1 is 22. So how do I write 22? I write 22 down. Okay. Now I have to multiply this second 7 here by 2 and 3. So I am going to the second step now. So before going to the second step, I have to put a cross here. In place of this cross, you can also put a 0. Okay. So now I multiply 7 to 2. 7 into 2 is 14. So again 14. I write 1 here and I write 4 down. Now 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus this 1 is 22. So again I get 22. And now as I have completed both the steps, I add the two numbers. Okay. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then this 2 as it is, I take it down. Okay. So the multiplication of 32 and 77 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 4. Okay. Okay. Now the fourth sum. The fourth sum is 92 multiplied by 14. Okay. First I write them vertically. 92 multiplied by 14. Okay. First I multiply 4 by 2, then 4 by 9. And then in the next step I multiply 1 by 2 and then 1 by 9. Okay. So let's start. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now 8 is a single digit number. Right. So I write this 8 not on top. I write it down here. Okay. If it is a single digit number, if it is one digit only, then I write it here. But if it is a two digit number, I will write one digit on top and one digit down. Okay. So 4 into 2 is 8. Then 4 into 9 is 9 fours are 36. Okay. So I write 36 down. Now I have multiplied 4 to 2 also and 4 to 9 also. Now I multiply 1 to 2 and 1 to 9. Before that, I have to put a cross below the first digit here. Okay. Now I multiply 1 by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 9 is 9. Now as I have multiplied both the numbers, I have to now add them. Okay. So 8 plus 0 is 8 and 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 3 is, after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So I get 1288 or 1288. So 92 multiplied by 44, sorry, not 44, it is 14, is equal to 1288. Okay. So this was about exercise 13. This method is known as the long method of multiplication. And we have seen only multiplication of two digits. Two digits means 32 is also a two-digit number. 77 is also a two-digit number. Here also 92 is a two-digit number and 14 is also a two-digit number. So in this exercise we have done only multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay. So this is the long method. In the next exercise, in the next class, we will study how to do multiplication with the other method, which is known as the grid method. Okay. But that method is little simpler than this, but the most commonly used method is this one, the long method. For multiplication, we use normally this method. Okay, so that is it for today. We will meet in the next class. Okay, students, goodbye.